In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more assets to Google Ads campaigns. First, make sure you're in your Google Ads account on the main dashboard. On the left-hand bar, click on Campaigns to open the list of campaigns in your account. Next, expand the Campaigns section and select Asset Groups. This is where your creative elements live, for formats like Performance Max, and it's the hub for managing images, headlines, and other visual components. Now, choose the asset group for the campaign or campaigns where you want to add more assets. If you have several, pick the one that's most relevant to the visuals you're about to upload. Clear naming conventions help here, so you can quickly recognize the right group. Hover your cursor over the Assets column for that asset group. You'll see a small pen icon appear, indicating that this section is editable. Click the pen icon to edit. This takes you straight into the Asset Editing view, where you can manage the creative items associated with that group. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the Images section. This is the area where visual assets are added and managed. Click Assets in the Images section to open the Image Manager. From here, you can start importing the assets you want to add. Use the options available on screen to bring in images that fit your brand and your campaign goals. As you import, aim for a mix of orientations so Google's placements have what they need. Include landscape, square, and portrait variations when possible. Choose high-resolution files with clean, clutter-free compositions and clear focal points. Avoid heavy text overlays. Keep logos legible but unobtrusive. Make sure your images are relevant to the ad's message and landing page, and that you have the rights to use them. If cropping tools appear, use them to frame important content correctly. Preview how your images look in different placements so you can spot any awkward crops before they run. Consistency matters. Align colors and styles with your brand, and try to include a few lifestyle visuals alongside product-only shots to give the system variety to work with. When you're done importing, confirm that the new images appear in the Asset Group's Images section. That's it. Your additions are ready to be used across the campaign's placements. And there you go. That's all you need to add more assets to your Google Ads campaigns. Keep refining over time, rotate in fresh visuals, and let performance data guide which images you keep or replace for better results.